Insurance. Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum.
Hello, I'm Dave Gamble, Farmers Insurance District Manager in the South Bay of Los Angeles. I'm so excited to introduce you to a brand new team member in Rachel Delgado. I've known Rachel for close to 5 years at this point, as she worked in the automotive service and repair business and was a great partner for many years. I'm so lucky to have her on our team now. And Rachel, welcome to the team.
Thank you so much. I'm really happy to be here, really happy to be joining your district and your awesome team.
You bring so much knowledge to the table, Rachel, but before we dig into your more insurance and automotive repair background, let me just ask you a couple of questions about, where'd you go to school and what'd you learn? And let's summarize your career progression a little bit for our audience.
Sure thing. So I went to California State University, Sacramento for my undergrad. I have a degree in human resources and organizational behavior. Right after that, I worked for the County of San Diego for a few years and then went into grad school here in LA. I went to Cal State LA and I have an MBA in business and management. After grad school, I actually moved to Greece. I worked for an international marketing company there, writing copy. When I came back is when I really got into the automotive industry. So I started working for a family-owned dealership up there. My previous company ended up acquiring their body shop. And so that was when I really started to get involved in automotive repairs and specifically body repairs, dealing with insurance claims and getting to know the industry. About a year and a half later, I relocated to Southern California and actually took a job with that company. That's when I really started to learn the insurance business, the claims processes inside and out. I worked in a shop for a while, and then I transitioned to the HR department, helping with the acquisitions. I probably about 2.5 years later then took the sales position when I had the opportunity to get to know everyone here in your office and all of the agents here in Southern California, starting to build those relationships, growing my knowledge of the industry even more. Here I am today. So that's kind of the path that led me down to where we are right now.
Well, I think that's absolutely fabulous. You know, with your background and your experiences, you fit so well within our team because you're going to be sharing the farmers insurance opportunity with existing agents and people that are new to the insurance industry, and an understanding of business management, human resources. Those are all critical skills to understand as you start a business. So I'm really excited to have you on our team, and again, welcome. You know, we talked a little bit about this knowledge topic, and it is operations and products and all these things. You know, why don't you highlight a couple of the points about our GRP program for our listeners to understand what does that even mean, and how does an agent capitalize on that, Rachel?
Absolutely. I think that the GRP program, which for those of you who don't remember, stands for Guaranteed Repair Program. And this is a huge part of the claims process that Farmers has worked to really build for our customers and for our agencies. There are so many advantages when you choose to repair through the GRP program versus going outside of it. And so we really want to make sure that agents understand how to use those advantages as selling points. When a customer buys a new car and they get in an accident, and they're going to take it to one of our GRP shops, first and foremost, a GRP approved shop is going to make sure that they already know all of the specifications required for the repairs because they are a part of Farmers program. So that's great. The customer doesn't have to experience any delays in repairs while the body shop goes back and forth with the insurance company. All of that is already going to be laid out and conveyed to the shop when the claim gets transferred over to them. So that's great.
I think you're absolutely right. And, you know, Rachel, there's so many fine points to our industry. And again, I'm so excited to have you on our team because as people consider this opportunity, they need to know what are some of these fine points that I need to be thinking about. Closing thoughts from you, Rachel.
I'm just so proud to be a part of this team. I'm really excited to be joining the recruiting team at District 58. I'm really excited to be reconnecting with a lot of the people I've built relationships for over the last few years. I know it's in a different capacity, but I'm I'm really proud to be able to share this opportunity with my partners and with the community, and just make sure that I'm out there representing the Farmers brand as best I can and helping bring the best talent in.
I couldn't say it better. And what a great opportunity and a lot of fun it's going to be. You know, mentoring new people into our business is absolutely my favorite thing about this career. So with that, Rachel, we'll take a wrap and we'll talk to you again soon. And thank you so much. And here on day 2, in the middle of a pandemic, Zoom meetings and everything else, we're super happy to help you get started with Farmers.
Oh, thank you. And thank you to everyone watching. Looking forward to reconnecting with you all.
Very good. Talk to you soon.
We are farmers. Bum, ba, dum, bum, 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 bum.